So we've got an Oticon charger. Each of these devices have rechargeable batteries, and the Oticon charger, I'll be honest, it's probably not my favorite charger, but it does a good job. They've got a good rechargeable battery. I think it looks almost like a little spaceship. Yeah. Like a little UFO.
Yep.
Sits on your nightstand. That little guy, when it sits on the nightstand, it obviously plugs into the wall. And then the hearing aid itself
kind of goes in and
kind of just sits in.
A little wire receiver goes,
kind of hangs off the back. The nice thing about all of these chargers is that they're super simple.
Right.
They're not difficult. They're not complicated. There's not things you've got to plug in. There's a contact point.
What a nice effect or what a nice benefit that if you put it in there, you can't overcharge it. So if you left it there and you forgot to grab it and you went to Lake Powell and you came back, when you get back, it's going to be just fine. The devices are very, very sound, very well made. And the charger is very easy. I'm with you. I would have liked to have seen kind of a removable cord or something there, but hey, it does the job.
Yep.
That's the consistency is the main thing.
It's simple. It's easy. Thank you for watching our video today. If you have any questions or if you'd like to reach out to us,
if you're interested in this, or maybe you have a loved one or someone you care about, probably needs some hearing help,
you can get a free consultation with either me or Dr. Likened.
You can call us anytime. Any of our doctors would love to return that call.
We'd love to talk with you over the phone or in person to answer any questions that you might have.